The strength of your organization relies not just on internal capabilities, but also on the partnerships you forge. Maximizing on the full potential of your key service provider relationships is essential. We specialize in transforming relationships and enhancing service delivery through strategic collaboration, believing that a partnership that is structured correctly has the potential to drive innovation and deliver exceptional value. Our approach begins with understanding your unique goals and challenges. We work closely with you and your key service providers to assess current performance, identify gaps, and develop strategies for improvement. Through interactive workshops and open dialogue, we foster an environment of collaboration, bringing together your team and service providers to co-create solutions that align with your strategic objectives. Our proven methodology focuses on enhancing communication, clarifying roles, and establishing clear performance metrics. By creating a shared vision, we ensure everyone is aligned and working towards common goals. We don't just stop at strategy. We focus on implementation and continuous improvement. Our team provides ongoing support to track progress, adjust strategies as needed, and celebrate successes along the way. With our expertise, we leverage data-driven insights to make informed decisions that enhance service quality and optimize performance. Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Ready to take your organization and service provider relationships to the next level? Let's work together to strategically transform how you collaborate and deliver exceptional value. Visit us on our website for more.